Hello, welcome. My name is Fleur Allen. I'm a business success coach. My business is called Ask Fleur. You can find me online. Everything I do, I offer online at askfleur.com. You spell Fleur, F-L-E-U-R. I'm delighted you're here. Today, I'm talking about one aspect of the online coaching platform I use called Kajabi. So if you're not on Kajabi and you'd like to start a 30-day free trial, go to my website, askfleur.com, and I have a link there that says try Kajabi for free. So grab that link. It is an affiliate partnership link. So if you sign up, then I will receive a small commission. But in return for that, I'm here to support you, and you can book a 45-minute online call through Kajabi. And I can get you started. I got the first version of my website up and running in 3 days, so I can take you on a walkthrough and support you to get up and running as fast as possible. So Kajabi I choose to use because I run everything through it, which you can see in a previous video where I talk about the whole platform in general. But today's video, I just want to focus on how I use Kajabi for one-to-one coaching sessions. And I'm actually recording this video through that platform, through that product. I'll share my screen because I just want to show you around a little. So this is the back end. So looking as from the coach's point of view, and I create myself, that's why it says Fleur Allen Personal, as a client, so that I can go in, and I'll show you that shortly, and see what the experience is like as a client. So that's a red hot tip for you, to create a personal profile as a client yourself, so you can go into your own business and see what it looks like. So let's go do that. So this is my website. This is the home page, and here is the client login. So I'm just going to log in. So this is looking at my website from a client point of view. So you can see that personal photo there. This is me, the coaching back end. That's me, the client there. And on my live website here, this is what it looks like at the moment. So this is the menu bar for clients. And down here are all my products that Fleur Allen Personal has access to. So as you can see, it's everything. So let's go into, this is my one-to-one coaching program. So I'm going to go in so you can see what it looks like. So this is this session now. Now, because I'm logged in as a coach, it might be a bit weird on the same computer. This is me as the client. This is me as the coach. Join this as the client. I just click on here. So let's see what it looks like, because I'm running both me as the coach and me as the client through the same computer, which is not normal, right? So it might be a bit weird. There we go. So that's what it looks like on the back end from a coach point of view and from a client point of view of this. And this is one of their templated backdrops that I like to put in so you can't see my washing in the background. So I just wanted to show you a little bit of what it looks and feels when you can have video calls. So as part of my business, I don't need a subscription to Zoom, because I can run my one-to-one coaching video calls, my free calls, and also my group coaching through Kajabi, all under the one subscription. But I'll talk more about group coaching and also setting up a free call on another video, because I just want to keep this nice and focused and short and sweet. So if you're wanting to know more about Kajabi, then I'll share my screen once more. Jump on my website, askfleur.com, and in the main menu you can see up here, try Kajabi for free. This is an affiliate link. That's right. Page here. So if you go through here, you get a little bit longer free trial than what's on their public website. And once you're going through the trial, please reach out for a free 45-minute call and I'll walk you through it so you can get started and up and running and using it as quickly as possible. Just share my screen once more. Stop sharing my screen because I always like to end where I feel like I'm speaking to you face to face. So if you've got any questions, please contact me. I'd love to help you on your journey, on your online coaching journey. So reach out and I look forward to seeing you online using Kajabi.